Welcome, Taurus. Here's your daily love message for today. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what's your love message of the day. One card, please. Too many. Thank you, Spirit. Crossroads. This person, some y'all, somebody could be very indecisive. This is someone who could have multiple, who could have options and not sure what they want to do. This is somebody who's very, very indecisive. Okay, Taurus. Have a good one.